We ride, we ride, we ride. We ride. Turn the lights on. Even when the dope come right.
What up, what up, what up? Double M's, it's your boy Keys.
And it's Lee from T&Lee TV.
Alright, it's time to get busy in this piece. We got some volcano
Chicken noodles.
Man, we about to erupt in this piece.
And bust a bubble. We ain't for the play with them. So guess what? Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to Muscle and Marriage, T&Lee TV, and PNR Gang, and Prissy P channel. All links will be in the description box below. That's all the Epic Empire family, and we back with another hot challenge. And these we haven't had these yet, bro.
We ain't had these.
We ain't had these yet.
Oh, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bing! So you can be notified for all the videos that we got in store for y'all.
Yes, yes.
Comment. We want to hear what y'all got to say about these volcano noodles, because they about to blow up.
And I'm scared from my butthole.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
So we finna just dump right into it. Cause the women, our wives, don't cook the noodles up for us. We finna.
It's been a minute. It's been a minute.
Keys.
Y'all done seen the boy Keys.
Keys, that smell hot.
Yeah, that's
Keys, it smell hot. It smell hot, Keys. Smell that. Smell mine.
Oh man.
Oh my God, man.
My hands done got even more sweaty.
Oh my God. And it look just like the 2 times. I'm gonna go ahead and. Oh my God, it look like ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Do y'all see that? Do you see that? We play no games. We play no. And they give you more sauce in this one than they do the 2 times. Do you see that? Look at that, y'all. This sauce never ending. Boy, it's crunchy. Oh. Keys, I ain't finna fail. I ain't never had this one. I'm a 2-time. Hey,
my hand's scared.
Hey, I'm a 2-time champion. So that was the sauce packet, and these the flakes, yo. We're gonna pop the flakes open, and we're gonna see what these flakes look like.
And I don't want to hear y'all with that bogus old.
Kids.
Oh, this just
Lee, you're not really doing this challenge. It's not really hot.
Man, look at these sauce packs.
Look at them flakes. Oh, this is sesame seeds and seaweed. That's good. I was scared. I thought it was gonna have crushed red pepper too. I was nervous for a brief second. I'm going ahead and just stir it. Look, y'all. It looks so pretty. Look at it. Look like some 5-star. I'm going ahead and stir it up.
I can't even get this thing open. My hands.
Go on by them.
Gotta use the tiger teeth.
Ooh. Let's see.
Oh, the boy still didn't get it. He's scared. He's scared.
Hey. So light up the comment box below, y'all. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you want to see. Tell us what you want the Epic Empire family to be doing for you guys. And why your sauce a little redder for some reason? I don't know why. So we can turn this into a challenge. Not first one win.
Man, see, there you go. There you go.
So we're gonna challenge.
There you go. Last time I tried to eat them things in Fast in Brunswick, I done up fainting.
You can do it, man. You can do it. You got through it last time, didn't you?
Man, my hand's dripping, man.
It's okay. It's just nervous. It's just mental. It's mental. Don't play with it. Don't spend them in there.
I be seeing some of y'all doing these challenges, and y'all be doing them with the water still in the darn pot or in the bowl, rinsing off your noodles. That's what you doing, rinsing them off.
Leaving the sauce at the bottom.
Yeah, let me say it right. Ranching. You ranching off your noodles.
Rinse around and spin around and get the soap off your counter that bad.
Oh,
say
man.
Say our grace.
Okay. Lord, we'd like to come to you now. That no harm should come through this food. That these noodles should be protected through you. That this should not hurt us, should not send us to the hospital. That we should make it through this without having any danger, harm, or disabilities. My Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Man, I made a mistake and smelled it while we was praying, and it felt like I ate some.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, man.
Come on, let's pop one more thumbnail with the noodles like that.
right, it's time to get busy, y'all.
On your go.
You drop the noodle. Get it.
We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him.
Yeah,
Get him. Hold on. Give me share now. Sharing his can. Sharing his can. Go ahead, rip him off. All right, let's make it happen, Captain. On your go.
3, 2, get it. They flavorful. Woo! These Johns hot.
Yeah, they got a little taste on there.
See? He hiccuping. These Johns on. They fire. Sun fire. Like touching the sun.
I lost my words. All I could go.
Oh! Nose already running.
I'm telling you, mine's running regardless. Epic Empire Mans ain't never scared. Best remember that.
If you think you got a team or a fam that want to go against the Epic Empire,
comment below.
bring it. Bring it.
Toast it, baby.
Now, what they hot? What they hot?
Yeah, they're hot.
They're hotter than the other ones.
The original black.
Yeah.
The OG, they hotter than the OG.
Yeah.
They hot.
But they're not hot as the 2 times yet.
Cause my
I think
beard,
they were. Rashawn said they weren't either.
my beard hot right now.
Beer.
Woo!
They good though. They got a little nice little sweetness, but they do got like a little
They got
taste to it.
a little sweet bite. Oh,
They got a little unique little
yeah.
the twin, but it's starting to feel a little volcano.
It tastes like you walked in a Chinese restaurant.
Oh, that's what my kids. My boy delusional. What that mean?
I'm licking the noodles.
Don't try to say that mine. Don't try to say that mine.
I'm getting them. I'm getting them. I'm getting all of it. Got to get 8.
But I would say I would buy these again. I actually bought products from this company before, and they are pretty good. They're a pretty good company, like Samyang. And these 2 companies do produce pretty good quality in material and food. And these Japanese noodles, because this company is produced out of Japan. Quite sure it is.
There you go.
So we have succeeded. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you do like all of our channels. Links will be in the description box below. These are hot, so if you're not a heat demon or heat devil, be cautious when you eat these. We pros, so we able to eat them all down.
It's hot.
It's hot. See, that sweat ain't fake. We ain't pouring no water on his head.
This ain't fake, y'all. It's hot. It's hot.
So, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you share this with all your social media, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Snapchat, your what's the other, any other ones I missed? Instagram. I said that one already. Instagram, Twitter. Yes, Twitter. Just share these videos if you want to see more content like this. By you sharing, it helps us make more content, guys. So we love you. Until next time, guys. Peace.
Later.